Hi, here we want to learn how to make game models using Rodin.AI. Here is a sample.
You demons, I'll kill every last one of you. This castle will be your final tomb.
All of them are made by Rodin.AI. So there are different ways that you can make that. You can use a prompt that I have prepared here in a notebook, and one by one I want to insert that as a text inside the site of Rodin.AI, which is the hyperthird.ai. And you want to make an email, and after that you enter your prompt here. If you don't like the picture that is shown here, you can change that. After it is generated, it shows you something like this, and then here is a part that will get receive from you half a point, and as you see, it is generating for you. And then you want to generate the textures because you want to have the material for that. After that, you can, for example, select FBX and also check the LOD and then click download. For each model, you see that there are two folders. And then you do this for every one of your models. You see that we have diffuse, metallic, normal, and the roughness, and the shaded one is only one texture, and I'll show you what's the difference between them. Then copy and paste your models into your Unity folder. So here is our model, and then we need a terrain so that we would put our models on that. Here, for example, I open this and you see that there are two folders. So I bring the palace or the tower here and scale it. To compare what's the difference between those textures, I duplicate that and then show you the differences. The first one has only one texture that is shaded. It means that it has all the lights and everything has been diffused to that, and the light outside, the light that is in the environment, and has no effect on that. But the other one, you just need to put the textures inside the material one by one. Diffuse, the metallic, the normal, and the roughness. Usually you can do that in the Photoshop and for the alpha of the metallic. I just see that these two these two palaces are kind of different. You can also change the color of the material. In my case, I think that the right one is better. I delete the left one and we will have the right one as only had the shaded texture. And do that one by one for all of the models that you have made by the Rodin.AI. Just bring them into the scene and then give the texture. So a material is created. Nice. As you see here, there are LOD. For optimization of the game, you need these things. It means that when a player gets away from the, for example, this is a statue, other models related to the statue are shown that has the, for example, lower resolution and would be better for the performance. So I did that for all of the models. As you see, we have the player here. There is an enemy. Okay, now we start to make your scene. I place them together and put it here. All of them are made by Rodin.AI, and I just use some post-processing effects and brought some particle effects. This is the final result that is in the cutscene.
You demons, I'll kill every last one of you. This castle will be your final tomb.